Hello everyone, welcome back again to Hack with Victor, where you get to learn about that how you can bypass Windows 11 Defender, dealing with MSIs, antivirus, and so on. In today's video, I'm gonna demonstrate you that how you can bypass Windows 11 Defender using a simple Python script. In today morning, I was just going through with some tools which can help me to bypass the Windows 11 Defender, and I figure out this one, the black heart, which is a simple Python script which can generate a PowerShell script that going to give you a reverse shell without getting detected by the Microsoft Defender. So in curiosity, I tried to use this script, but bad luck. The current Windows Defender, the current antivirus of my machine was easily able to detect it. Okay, because if you'll see, the last time they updated on 9/4/2022, and right now it's 2026. Obviously, it will going to get detected. But to just check that it will work or not, I used it, and yeah, it got easily detected. So what I did some basic modification. Instead of using a basic obfuscation which he used, or like a basic obfuscation to get the reverse shell, I added the AES encryption, which will going to encrypt my file and it will going to provide a more better obfuscation. Okay, so let me show you with a practical demonstration that how you can easily bypass. And yes, in this video I'm not going to use any C2 like adaptics havocs, which where you will go where you will going to get a callback. No, it's just a simple Python file, PowerShell script, which will going to give you a reverse shell on your netcat listener. Okay, where you will start on your Kali machine. So the main motive of this video is just to show you that how you can bypass. And second thing, if you are doing any exams, if you are dealing with an exam where you have to deal with the defenders, where you have to deal with the Microsoft antivirus, then you can use all this. Okay, so let's go. And here is the tool name which I gave some another name, which is the rev0shell.py. Okay, so and don't worry, this time I'm gonna provide you my this script on the GitHub, so you can just go over there and then you can use this one. Okay, so to generate a R shell and the reverse shell, the shell.ps1 and the reverse shell.ps1 file, we have to just run this file using Python 3 revshell0.py. You have to give your localhost IP, then the alport IP and hyphen key. This is the key of my AES encryption, which will going to encrypt my PowerShell script. Okay, so if I will run this file. Okay, fine. One more thing, guys, you have to create a virtual environment first of all. Okay, no matter if you install all the libraries also, still you have to basically do that. Okay, you need to create a virtual environment to your Kali machine. Okay, and done. So now you can see we have the R shell, which is our stager file, and the sh file.ps1, which will going to help you out to download this reverse shell. And once you will run this, it will going to download this R shell.ps1 in your Windows machine, and it will going to give you a reverse shell on your Kali machine. So I'll simply start the listener, and on the other side I will start the Python server. Okay, that's it. And let's come back to our Kali Windows machine. Okay, oh my bad. And done. So here we go, we have this sh file.ps1. If you want, you can also read this file like this using a notepad. Okay, but you will not going to see anything. Okay, because as I said, I'm using the AES encryption, so it will going to encrypt everything in my this reverse shell.py. So if you want, you need to deal with the my.py file. So let's just focus on the reverse shell again. And now I'll just simply run this command, PowerShell -execution bypass policies, and this is the file name which we downloaded. And now if I just simply click on the enter button, here we go, and you can see the rshell.ps1 downloaded successfully in the Windows machine, and here we have the reverse shell. Now if I just go to the directory, I can see where we are. I can just go to the desktop, then I can create anything like that, mkdir hello. If I just go, so here we go into the desktop, so you can see. Okay, my bad. Fine. Now if I just say dir, so here you go, we have the hello folder. We can create something, we can delete something like this. And now if I just do again, so you can see there is nothing. You can change all the directory, you can see like who am I, you can see all the permissions of the system, who am I /all. Okay, so you can do all this thing, like you can check the IP configs. So this is how you can use this script, and you can easily bypass the Windows 11 Defender. But let me tell you one thing, guys, very clearly. Right now my Windows 11 Defender is fully activated with a digital license. Everything is turned on. There is nothing in the exclusion, but it doesn't mean that it will always work. In future, if the Microsoft will going to update their database, if the file of if the file hash or the bytes or the signature will going to be get flagged by any antivirus, okay, then chances are very rare that it can be work in the future also. But right now, for a longer time, it will going to help you out to get a reversal. It will going to help you out to bypass the Windows Defender. So that's all for this today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have learned something new, guys, don't forget to subscribe channel, don't forget to share between your friends, those who are interested in all those things. So we'll meet in the another video. That's it for today.